I'm just going out for a bit. Now, bit of bushcraft for you. Scots pine, when it becomes damaged, produces resin, which can be used to light fires and make your life a little bit more easier. And all I'm going to do now is cut it off. Bushcraft from me. Oh. Lovely. Not got a huge amount of kindling to play with today, so what I'm doing on these trees, which are going to be chopped down the Forestry Commission, I'm going to be grabbing resin, pine resin, and this will help burn excellently. Right, time to keep on going and get some grow in my belly. Right, it's been raining for a long time and come prepared. So I've got myself a bit of dry wood. Mainly I've been preparing lots of little sticks, to use a nice word. So what I'm going to cook on. Now, those who've seen my channel before, I went to near Oldbourne, Band of Brothers sort of territory, and I used a steamer. Opens up, got a little bit of ground clearance. Now I'm going to cook again today my offering to my belly using this, with a little attachment on the top which you'll see, which I got for the exorbitant price, I think £1.50. Okay, how about we start with, save that for a bit, don't burn you, they try, look at my fingers. Come on, out you go, play good. One of the makeup removers. Just try the one. There you go, the fibres out. Oh, down there. Now let's see if I can use a flint and steel. Oops. It's going. Get a little bit of help from your brother over there. That stuff. Go on, mate. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Right. Seemed to work exceptionally. Now, while we're here, and I proved to you the £1.50 hot top. There you go. There you go. Oh. Well, what I'm doing now is have a lovely fire until we get some nice embers, and then I can show you what we're going to have. But I'm pleased with that, God. I'd say that's a success for now. Right, I'll just remove the camera so I don't get burnt. Get this all lovely and roaring, and we're back to you in a minute. Yes, today in the woods I'm having the wild boar burger, which equates me as the most boring person in the woods right now. So yeah, make of that what you will. Alright, let's get back to getting the fire going. One wild boar burger. Ah, superb. Worth waiting for. Superb. Right. So there, I did it. Bringing down the cost of camping. The plugs and the makeup removal, the waxed cotton things, they worked a treat. Absolute treat. And so there's 50. That's just, 50 for £4. No, £5. Using nothing but old wax. You do the maths. And it's all fun. It's all fun. Right. While my remaining food goes down, and I cook myself a nice cup of coffee over there to finish off. Talking about finishing off, I'm gonna clean up over here, leave some twigs out for whoever may utilise my bit of the wood, and we'll be good to go. Brilliant. Thank you for joining me. I hope you've learned something. Hope you're happy to give it a go. It's not bad fun. All good fun. Right. From the most boring man in the woods for half an hour, and just going out for a bit, I wish you the best. I hope to see you soon.